Welcome to my channel, Muhammad Akram.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanna tell you about the fourth configuration of the BGP routing protocol. So for in this video, we have two configuration, or we have two lab. That's the first lab is about BGP next hop self, and then the second is about BGP authentication. So for BGP next hop self is a feature in BGP that is used to change or manipulate the next hop information on routers received by BGP routers, and then forward to other routers in the network received by a BGP router, and then forward to other router in the network. Is in general, the next hop information on a BGP route indicate the IP address of the nearby nearby router that will be used to forward the packets. Router that will be used to forward data packets to the intent destination. So, in a BGP configuration, routers will usually use the next hop information from routes received from other routers, and then send the information to other routers in the network. However, by using the BGP next hop self feature, a BGP router can change the next hop information on the received route and replace it with its own IP address. Replace it with its own IP address, thus become the new next hop router. So we just continue from the third lab before. So I'm just continue for this lab. But for the we just directly setting the next hop. But our topology is same. Router 3 still use AS3, and then router 1 and router 2 still use AS12. But for the first, maybe I wanna remove first the BGP. Every router I will remove first is BGP, and then I will create again for the BGP. Lalu I will remove first same all of the router, ya. No router BGP 12. Same router 3. Enable config no router BGP 3. So we can check first do sauran section BGP is already removed. Same. So right, for the next configuration, I will add the BGP first, and then add for the next back. Remind guys, for router 1 and router 2 still use AS12, and then we can type navbar. For the pairing, we just pairing to the internal IP of his interface, not to his loopback. And then remote AS12, then same ya with router 2 and router 3. Remote AS12, and then for to router 3, dan router 3 itu, and then after that, oh yeah, for router 3, I will advertise his IP loopback to the BGP network, this network to BGP. So the next we can check it on router 1, do show IP BGP, yeah, has already got the IP from router 3, yeah, right? And then the next we will configuration the next hop on the router 2. We can type navbar for 12.1, and then next hop shelf, and then enter. So if we try do some IPBGP again on router 1 BGP, this next hop will be changed to to 12.2. Right, nah, it's already changed, right, to 12.2. Before we configuration, still get next hop from 23.3, that is from this IP, but after we change the next hop, when we check in router 1, it will be changed to router 2 because we setting the next hop shelf in on router 2. So we can check do show IP route BGP on router 1, do show IP route BGP already, right, for the IP route from BGP protocol, routing protocol. So this means, oh yeah, I will advertise first for this IP to check can ping from router 1 to router 3 network. Oh mas, and then and then we can check the ping to 3.3, this to this IP. Can check. So why still cannot ping to 3.3? Because if we want to ping use BGP, we must to use source. We must to use source with 1.1. So has already can, because if we want to didn't use the source, we need to advertise this IP too. It's 12.1 and 12.2 to into BGP. But because in this lab we haven't advertised this IP to BGP, so we need if we want to check ping, we need to enter the source of the IP that have already entered to BGP routing BGP protocol. So I think maybe that's all for the next hop self, BGP next hop self. So we we are gonna next to the next material. It's about authentication. So as you know, authentication is used for protect some or defend some interface. So
without using much time.
okay, so we don't use much time. I'm just directly configuration in the in this topology in this lab. So I will try make authentication in router 1 to router 2, router 1 and router 2. So I need enter to router BGP 12 first and then network. Just enter the network and then after that we enter the password, and then for the password up to you, you can use the name. For example, I will give the secret is Akram, like this, just my name, the big, then like this. So in router 2 we can add the authentication too. Can type neighbor and then give his neighbor that is the IP of router 1, and then can give password and then can enter the password. We must to enter this password. It's same with router 1, and then after that I will check it on router 1 first. Do show run section BGP. So you can see in here I have configuration for the authentication in router 1 and then router 2. I just check first. Do show run section BGP. It's same, yeah. I have configuration the authentication too. So I will try to ping. So I already can. That means this authentication has already worked. So I think maybe that's all for the material of BGP NetShop and authentication. So I'm sorry if I have any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.